What is meant by event in C Sharp? What is meant by event? So event is a notification mechanism in which there will be one publisher and then will be one subscriber. To understand this event, we are going to frame one example of a tank. There is one tank, and for the tank there is a 100% level, and we are filling the water 1 liter. After every few seconds we are going to fill water into the tank, and once tank level reaches to the 95%, and then we are going to generate a event. We will be having a class which is going to publish an event. So that is nothing but a tank level. So this is a class in which we have one event. So how to create an event, how to declare an event? So take a access specifier as public, and event is a keyword, C# keyword. And for the forming the event, we should have a delegate. So we are going to use a inbuilt delegate, that is an event handler delegate. For this event handler delegate, we are going to create one class, and tank level changed. So this is the event. So this tank class, okay, so this tank class we have to create it. Okay, we have created this tank class. So created class tank. Okay, so now this is going to be a publisher. And in this publisher, this is an event, that is the event handler tank level changed, and this is the arguments which we are going to pass for this event handler. So now this tank class which we created, we will inherit this class, will inherit the event arguments class, and for this class we have one constructor as a tank. So we'll pass, while generating event, we'll pass one argument here as a tank level. Okay, so take this level as a variable, also pass this variable from the constructor and get it assigned with the class level variable. So now this is ready for arguments, class for event arguments, So for this publisher, we created one class. So we have to monitor this tank level. So create one method, public void monitor level, which we have to create a method monitor level. So this level we have to monitor up to the 100%. So that tank level going to fill 1 liter by 1 liter. So we have to create one loop, for loop. So it is going to be starting from 1, then less than 100, and then plus. It is going to increase by 1 liter. So we are going to monitor a level of a tank, and this level which we are going to monitor, we will show on the console screen, tank level, and this is the value of tank level we are going to show on the console screen. Show this value of I on the tank level. Okay, also we'll give some delay to watch by our eyes. If I crosses this 95, then we have to generate the event. Then we have to generate this event, tank level changed. So tank level changed, we have to invoke this event, and it needs to, for this event handler delegate, we need two parameters, that is a sender and the event arguments. So for sender, this is the class which is going to publish. So just say this is a pointer which holds the reference for the current class. So this will be holding the reference of this tank level class, and we need arguments. So that is a tank e. So we created one class for this tank level arguments, so tank arguments, and we are going to pass this level. So create object of this tank class with this constructor, pass this value as I. All to subscribe this event, we have to create this tank level class object. Okay, so this tank level equals to new. So this is object of this tank level, and then we have to call this method. Okay, so level dot level changed plus equals to, this is the registration of this event. Okay, and we have to write one method to know when this tank level is getting reached to the 95%. We have to call this monitor tank level. So this tank level dot monitor level. This method we have to call, and then after reaching to the 95%, it will, up to reaching to the 95, it will give us a, it will generate this event. So what action we have to perform? We will just say tank level has been reached to the 95%, and we have to show and we have to give some kind of alarm. So we will give the continuous alarm. So in this infinite loop, we will give this continuous alarm, that is console.writeLine tank level alarm. To stop this alarm, stop this control, provide some delay so we can see this message. Okay, so we can make it red. This console message we can make it red. Console dot foreground color will make as a red, and to show the regular value which is below 100, we can make it as a below 95, we can make it as a green. So now our publisher is ready, it's also ready. So now we can run it. Compile, build, and then run it. So now it's showing this value continuously running. You can see here continuously showing this tank level, which is we have written here as 97, line number 97, line number 27. And once it is reaching to above the 95, so at 96 level it is getting reached and it is giving the alarm. So where it is pop up, here it has been pop up, you can see. So this way we can understand this event topic of a C#. So conceptually we framed this practical example of a tank level.